Hi everyone, and welcome to Fast Friday, where I take one topic and I go really fast. Hi everyone, welcome to Pal to Tech. You know, my last video, I talked about the histogram and how you should all be using it to check your exposure. I've had many requests to do a tutorial specifically on the histogram, and that is coming. I am making a future video on that. So I thought it would be a good idea to show you how you can enable the histogram so that you can see it in the LCD screen on the back of the camera. Quick refresher, a histogram is a graph showing you the tonal values of your image. It shows the amount of tones in your image that ranges from black, 0% brightness, all the way up to white, 100% brightness. And the dark tones are displayed on the left side of the histogram. As you move toward the right, the tones get lighter. Again, I will be making a video teaching you how to read a histogram. But for now, just keep in the back of your mind, you kind of want to have the graph sitting in the middle. The Fujifilm camera does have a histogram that you can enable in the display, and here is quickly how to do that. So all you need to do is go into your camera's menu system, into the little wrench, and go into where it says Screen Setup. In here, scroll down to the second page at the bottom, DISP Custom Setting. Go ahead, scroll down and make sure that histogram is checked. When you go back to the main display, you see it there, right? There it is. Now, as I get the scene brighter, watch what happens to the histogram. Look at that. Do you see how it's real dark on one side of the histogram and really bright on the other? And that's because, look at the image, right? It's pretty much like that. As you move the camera around the scene, the histogram changes to various areas of exposure. And let me tell you something, learning to read a histogram, if you don't do it already, will be the single greatest investment you could make into your photography skill. So I have a histogram video. I am working on it. It's on the list of things to do, but not right now. No siree. I'm working on a couple of other videos. I've got some reviews coming up. In fact, one of the reviews I'm working on is for an item that just came today. I wonder what it could be. Let's take a preview and see. Ooh, what could this be? Oh, I'm going to have a nice weekend, that's for sure. And I think you know of another video that might be headed your way. In the meantime, have a great weekend. Stay safe out there, and I will see you next week. Take care.